Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name is Nick, and today, guys, we're going to be jumping down into the world of XRP, reviewing price action, what's been going on, where things are heading, and what I think is going to happen next. As I get into the video, if you find it useful and informative, smash the like button. I do appreciate that. If you are new to the channel, then why not go ahead and subscribe? Tap the bell, select all the notifications, and in doing so, you will be kept up to date with absolutely everything that we do here at Cheeky Crypto. If you haven't yet joined us in Discord, what are you waiting for? Check it out, linked in the description down below. It's a fantastic community talking crypto 24/7. It's completely free, and I don't think you'll be disappointed by what you find down there. So why not go ahead and check it out? Let's jump right down into the video. So XRP paired up with USDT, BitGet spot exchange, 1 hour time frame. And well, things did get a little interesting. As you can kind of see up here, we actually wicked up higher than our origin level. And where this would typically be invalidated, it is still possible that we have an irregular flat. However, the structure doesn't support the irregular flat. So for the most part, we're going to have to hit a big reset there, and we're going to have to reflect on what happened here. So I'm just going to clear out some of the noise so we can see this a little bit clearer. We were expecting a move up to 72.4 to 72.7, and we obviously wicked up higher towards the 73.2. We were then expecting a move to the downside after that, which was 69.949 to 70.495. And as you can see, we're right in that range, right? Just heading down there now. But obviously that range changes because of that wick high. Okay, so we can't just look at that and think we've done that exact move. No. So let's go ahead and figure out where this low should be so that we can be a little bit more accurate with what we think is going to happen next. So let's go ahead and see. So here you go, it's actually moving down quite nicely already, and just hitting the 0.618 at the moment here. We're expecting this to come down a lot further, actually, looking at it. So it would have to finish its structure at 69.4 to 66.8, 68.85 in fact. So that's going to be that low point, and that's because of how high we wicked up, right? So if we draw this in, it would look like this. Now, to be fair, minimum expectations have already been met, okay? So it doesn't have to go all the way down there. It's just typically what you would expect to see. So anywhere realistically from where it is at the moment could potentially be a reversal point. So we have to really focus in on that internal structure. I would say that we should be expecting a 3-wave pattern within our C-wave structure in itself. And at the moment, I don't think we see that. But let's jump down into a 15-minute chart and see what it shows. Okay, so this is the area that we're looking at. Here we can see 3-wave drop, up, and then we see a more impulsive structure, and then up, and then finishing off down. So to me, this looks like we are probably... we are probably going to have to come down a bit further. So it might just be a little bit shorter on its target. I'd expect to bounce somewhere around here on this short time frame before we move down a little bit. It's fair game all the way up to 71.4 cents. So it's going to be interesting. You see, we also have a cross on the 15-minute time frame of the 50 and the 200 EMA. So short-term price is now lower than the long-term price. It's looking pretty bearish. Not too much there. So it looks like, yeah, we have a strong possibility of probably pushing down more towards the 786, 69 cent. It's going to be an interesting range, I think. So yeah, I expect further downside on XRP here on the hourly time frame, but I'm not going to hold my breath for thinking that we're heading all the way down to the 68.8 to 69.4, as much as that would be the typical area. I think we're probably going to find support more within this box that I originally drew up between 69.9 and 70.495. I think that's probably the area that's going to hold the best. Now, if we start thinking about where our fair value gaps are, where they are sitting down a little bit deeper, 69.1 to 69.5. This is also an interesting range that we've tapped into a couple times that has a lot of demand in it. Okay, we can also see that where this box, this yellow box area is here, also happens to be a previous area of support turned into resistance, could be turning into support again. So this is an obvious area for reversal. If I was to trade it, how would I trade it? I probably wouldn't trade the short, and I probably wouldn't trade the long because it's a little bit too uncertain at this point in time, at least at the point of recording. I mean, maybe given a few more hours, we might have a better intel as to where this is heading, but I probably wouldn't trade in either direction just now on XRP. Instead, I would probably wait for better signal and a better end of structure. And of course, if I were to trade, I would be trading on BitGet. The affiliate link is in the description below. It's a fantastic platform that I do 100% of my leverage trading and 90 to 95% of my spot trading. So if you haven't already checked it out, as I said, the affiliate link is in the description below. It's always great to have access to another exchange, because when things start moving, some of these exchanges struggle with the amount of users that are trying to log on. So it's always great to have backups. Personally, I use BitGet for pretty much everything. It's a fantastic platform with great utility. And I use other exchanges as my backup. But again, it's entirely up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot give you financial advice. All I can say is that it's a tool that I do actually use, and I am very, very pleased with it. Affiliate link is in the description below. Why not check it out? I don't think you'll be disappointed. I think, guys, I'm going to leave this video right there. There isn't terribly too much more I can talk about when it comes to the price action here for XRP today. I think ultimately we need to give it a few more hours to see if things clear up and whether or not we can break down even further, or whether a reversal is due. I think from a trading point of view, we're going to wait for better signal and all of that kind of good stuff. If you found this useful and informative, smash the like button. If you're new, subscribe. And if you haven't joined us in Discord, what are you waiting for? Check it out, linked in the description down below. Until the next one, have a fantastic day.
We are not financial advisors. None of what we have communicated verbally or in writing here should be considered as financial advice. It is not. Do your own research before investing in any digital asset or affiliate offers, and understand that investing in any crypto is risky. If you do, you need to be prepared to lose your entire investment. This video is for information and entertainment purposes only. All our videos are strictly personal opinions. Please make sure you do your own research and never take our opinions for financial guidance. There are multiple strategies, and not all strategies fit all people. Our videos are not financial advice.